Okay, so now let's start with the marination, as every biryani requires the meat to be marinated. So over here, I will be using around almost 2.5 kgs of chicken, but I will leave the recipe complete details in the description below for about a kg. Usually for biryani, especially for chicken, the chicken pieces are quite big in size. Now to this, I'm adding ginger garlic paste. This is fresh ginger garlic paste. Always try to keep the ingredients fresh. I will also leave the recipe for the ginger garlic paste in the link in the description box. For our spice powders, some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, salt to taste, some crushed green chili, some coriander and mint leaves, some garam masala powder. Now at this point, you can also use the whole spices, but since I will be adding the whole spices to the rice to flavor it, I prefer using the garam masala powder. I've used fresh garam masala powder. We'll leave the link as well in the description below. And now I'm adding some lemon juice. This is some thick yogurt. This is some fried onion. You can also use the store-bought fried onions. The fried onions adds a lot of flavor to any biryani. Okay, so now we give this a good mix and bring it all together, and then we leave this to marinate for at least about 3 to 4 hours, or if you wish to, even an overnight marination is excellent. So depends on the time you have on hand. Now over here I'm adding this oil. The onions were fried in this oil. This also helps as a tenderizer and adds more flavor to the biryani. We can leave this to marinate. If you're going to use this chicken the next day or leave it for an overnight marination, do refrigerate it. Or else, if you're going to make the biryani within a couple of hours, you can just leave it out on the countertop. Let's leave the chicken aside to marinate. Now to cook the rice, I had pre-soaked the basmati rice for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Flavor the rice and bring it to a boil, and cook the rice till about it is 70% cooked. In a heavy bottom pan, add the chicken and top it up with the rice and garnish it with some fried onions, some mint and coriander leaves, and sprinkle some garam masala powder, and allow this to cook for about 45 minutes on very low heat. And there you have it, the simplest biryani which anyone can make. By following these simple steps and using the right ingredients, you can create a delicious and authentic Hyderabadi chicken dum biryani that's sure to become a favorite in your household. Please do like, share and subscribe, and check out my other cooking videos. Thank you for watching and stay connected. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen.